right, so let's look at your challenge problems. So first of all, I do not want you to use a calculator. We can use a calculator for anything and figure out the answer. However, in the real world, when we are out shopping, we don't want to have to pull out our calculator all the time. So the first thing I want you to do when you're looking at these problems is I want you to estimate about how much the answer should be first. So Devin went to the museum. If the admission cost was $11.10 and he gave the cashier a $20 bill, how much change should he receive? So we're going to estimate that because we know that it's he's not going to get $10 back. He's going to get less than $10 because if $11.10 is more than $11.10 is more than $10 he paid with the 20. We know we're going to get around $9 back because 20 minus 11 is 9. But it's not going to be exactly 9 because that 11 has some 10 cents on there. So we know we're going to get $8 and a handful of change. 10 plus what equals the $12? 90 cents. So I'm going to get $8.90 is how much I'm going to get back when you do it. But I want you to estimate with these problems and know that I'm going to get a little less than $9. So I'm going to actually do the math on paper because these are actually decimal operation problems, which is review from 6th grade and some of 7th grade. So we are going to estimate how much we're going to get first, like we would if we're actually in the store. And then we're going to do the math problem over here with the decimals. So we know that 0 minus 0 is 0. I can't take 1 from 0, so I have to make that a 10. Borrow from this one. Oh, gonna have to make that a 9. Borrow from this one and make that a 1. So 10 minus 1 is 9. Our decimal comes down. 9 minus 1 is 8. 1 minus 1 is 0. So I know that I'm going to get $8.90 change. There's some things I want you to remember when you're writing these. So remember when we write decimals, we have to be very careful to make sure we put those decimals in a line, and that's how we set up our problem. And remember, when we're working these problems, we work right to left, and we are subtracting if we are making change. So the first thing I want you to do is estimate how much you're going to get back, and then actually solve the problem by hand. No calculator here, kids. All right.